Again, good afternoon, no? So I'm here again, no? I'm here today is about Me Too. I'm here with Dr. De Carlos, no? So here, the evidence, yeah? So here, ito ipakita yun, no? The discharge notes of the doctor is about March 26, 2014. Second stroke, ha? Then, April 27 karon is May 2 na. So again, Dr. Ed, no? Dr. Ed, 58 years old. Again, sa history in the book, dugay ka na-recover, no? Again, di magiging sa lakaw sa first stroke. How much mo sa second stroke, no? But together with this one, no? The Arwin ergometer, the name you can trust, no? Here, the name Arwin. This is Arwin Gale, yan, no? The name you can trust, no? So, tungkol sa Arwin Gale, Arwin ergometer. So, si Cho, again, naka-recover. Ano, ipakita na ko rin yung walking ni Cho. Again, pakita. Again, wamang ko tayo kwarta ka-publish sa newspaper diri in Cebu, no? Without the support, no? Again, arin lang ko ni-base sa Amerika, no? The YouTube, no? So, 59%. 59%. Ang number one viewers na to is United States of America. The second is the Philippines. Again, thank you, Philippines. The United Kingdom. The Singapore, no? So, here, so naman na playback. Again, the advertisement mo na i-click nimo sa YouTube nga na mo advertisement sa diha. So magawa sa i-presyo nila. So karon, so here again, diri lang ko dikuan kay wala lagi ko kwarta i-publish sa newspaper, no. So $28 no, action review, action display, reserve, no, stream na $9. So para pin gamay dong. So here, again live ni. No 1 to 5 no. Again, pila, so pila ila baligya no. $5 no, 25. So again, pila ka country ni join karon. 41 countries ug binuang pa ni ako. Hagbaris na nga no, na naghan man sila. So here, look kinsa man nagkuan na bidding, United States, kinsa man nakadaog, Singapore. Again, tungod kay ni trust no. Again, the trust no. So here kag no, muni say bagos Arwin ergometer. So can prevent and healthy no. So here, again, this is our 11 treatment sessions at no, 13 treatment sessions dito no. And no, so here, May 2, 13 treatment sessions. So, you're walking, yeah? So, that's no. Okay, walk ka. So, walk slowly. Again, kita na po ni mo. Ito para kita dito, so. Okay, good. Okay, so here, ako lang biyaan sa crowd. Good, dakong may kuha, no? Dakong lang ka. Here. So, yan, ang kuha lang ito, sabot nga. The proper sports attire, yeah? So, ang iyang kuha, problema, sa shoes, no? So, again, akong biyaan si Cho, ha? So, again, start. Good. Again, here. So, here, again. Again, so without support. Again, without support. So, again. So, mani-diferensyas kan Cho. Wala siya makuha sa iyang sports attire, no? Iyang shoes ka itong sa Nike, no? Yan, oh, di ba yun? Mauna, may balance ni siya, no? Again, here, again, napawak na ko si Cho. Again, nag-exercise na kay tungod sa shoes, no? Again, tungod sa shoes. Again, importante kay ang running shoes. So, sige. So, here, again, layo na ka na nakuha si Cho. Di mangikalakaw sa primerong stroke. How much mo sa ikaduha? And then, i-prevent na ko si Cho together with the Arwin ergometer. Again, so here, yeah. Dr. De Carlos, 58 years old. So, naagito evidence no sa hospital, nagi-discharge. Again, nindot pa akong kamera kaya wag mo pa ako. So, here. Again, okay, good. Again, so balik ka. Again, thank you. Stop. Again,
Pero nga
okay.